Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Instagram and confirming the app is updated. This avoids menu differences. Once done, go to your profile and tap the 3 lines, then Settings. Tap Account and choose Switch to Professional Account. You do this now to unlock creator features. The platform asks for category and contact info because Instagram uses those to recommend tools and analytics. Make sure to select creator when prompted, not business, if your focus is personal branding and influencer tools. Once switched, you configure creator tools to match how you want to be discovered. First, choose a precise category. This affects search and labels. Next, decide whether to connect a Facebook page. Only do this if you need unified messaging or ad access. Then set contact options, email, phone, or none. Finally, enable the creator inbox and flexible profile display so you can filter messages and control how followers interact. These choices optimize your workflow and audience engagement. You finish by reviewing profile details and saving changes, then watch insights for 48 to 72 hours to confirm analytics populate correctly. Make incremental adjustments to messaging labels, monetization options, and growth tools based on early data. This optimizes your content strategy. If something goes wrong, menus missing, no analytics, clear the app cache, ensure the app is updated, or log out and log back in. If that fails, try switching back to a personal account and then reapply. That often results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.